Today we're taking a look at the screen bar e-reading lamp. This thing goes for $40. I think it might be a little bit overpriced, but I've basically seen it on every single YouTube video that talks about gaming setups. Everybody has been saying good things about this lamp. Today we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna try it out, and we're gonna find out whether it's worth $40 or not. Stay tuned. This is it right here, the screen bar e-reading lamp. It's $40 right here for this thing. It's USB powered, it has adjustable color temperature, it doesn't take any space on your desk. I mean, what else could you ask for from a lamp? Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Little menu, the light itself, and then I think this is the mount, and then that's it. So that's basically everything you get in the box. Very basic, just the mount, the light, and the little menu. It obviously explains to you why this light is different than other lights and why it doesn't have any reflections on the monitor. Oh, this thing is adjustable right here. How do you open that thing? Let's go ahead and give it a try here. First things first, we can get the USB cable and we're gonna put it through this little hole. Pulling, pulling, pulling till you reach this point. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you basically put the light. You obviously can adjust the light up and down like this. And then this part right here is retractable, so you can put it on any monitor, doesn't matter how thick your monitor is. And then right here you have a little remote control, has plus, minus, the power, and I'm guessing the temperature button. Now let's go ahead and test it out on my monitor. I have the lights off right now so you guys can see better. So let's put the light on and let's see. Wow, that was pretty easy. That's it. That was it. Also, I have LED lights in the back of my monitor. I thought that was going to make it a little bit harder to actually put this light on. But to my surprise, it was really easy and it only took literally 2 seconds to put on. And obviously, you can adjust the light up and down like this. Now, all that it's left to do is just plug it in the monitor. Luckily, I have a USB in the monitor and the remote is right here so I can adjust it. It's supposed to be plugged in now. So I can see a little blue light in the controller. Look at that. Wow, this could get pretty bright. Nice. So as you guys see, this is how bright it actually is. You can turn it off and on, and then you have the plus and minus button to make it brighter or dim it. This is the lowest it can go, and then this is the highest it can go. And then last but not least, you can switch the temperature. You have the cool temperature, you have the mix, and then you have the really yellow temperature. I think this is actually pretty good. Now it's time for me to sit down and see whether it reflects on the monitor or anything like that. Wow, this is actually pretty good. Alright guys, so basically when you use it and you have it dimmed down to like the lowest it can go, there's actually no reflections on the monitor or whatsoever. But when you start to make it brighter, it definitely starts to take away from the blacks on the monitor. It's definitely starting to bleed a little on the edges of the monitor. It's not that big of a deal. It's definitely good. Like if you're just getting some work done, you need a little light to light up your keyboard or anything. I think if you just dim the light like this, you should honestly be fine. You shouldn't have anything affected, and you shouldn't have your monitor affected at all. But if you're reading something or writing something and you need a little bit of more light and you make it a little brighter, it definitely does still do the job. I think it's pretty awesome. I get it now why a lot of people like this light, especially that it doesn't take any space. Obviously, I'm gonna have to do some cable management with that cable right here, but this is pretty easy, and I like the fact that I can just adjust it from right here without having to get up, without having to do anything. I think this is a really cool addition to my desk. I'm gonna keep it. I like it. The company didn't send this for free or anything. I actually bought it with my own money, and I'm pretty happy with it. It's certainly better than turning on the light for the whole room. I'd rather just have all the lights off and just have this little light on. Overall, I think this is gonna be really useful. I think I'm actually gonna start using it right away. I'm happy with it, and if you buy it, I'm pretty sure you're gonna be happy with it as well. Oh, there's a little protective film right here. I'm not sure if it's protective or it's supposed to be there, but I just took it off because it didn't look nice to me. There we go. That's better. Wait, I can also use it to light myself up when I'm filming this outro, for example. If you guys did enjoy the video, put a dislike, but if you enjoyed it, please like, consider subscribing for more content. Maybe check out one of my other videos right here if you have time to watch it, and let me know if you'd actually buy this light or not. I think it's pretty cool. I think I would be happy if you actually purchase this light. I can see many uses for this light. I can see myself using it right now, you know, while I edit this video for you to watch, for example. Peace.